welcome back to my channel. So on today I'll just be sharing with you a couple products that I use to get smooth skin around my chin and around my neck area. So the first product that I use is the oil-free Acne Wash Pink Grapefruit Foaming Scrub. It's like this. And the main ingredient, or the active ingredient in this, is the salicylic acid, and that is what I know the key benefit and the key ingredient was to smooth and to get rid of those dark spots, because the salicylic acid exfoliates and it just conditions the skin. And that's the main, like I said, the active ingredient in this. And it says on the back, with an uplifting blast of grapefruit plus vitamin C, this unique formula clears breakouts and blackheads. This scrub with exfoliators and skin conditioners smooths away roughness for clearer, healthy looking skin. And that's what it did, even from not only for my neck and my chin area, but my whole face is more clear, it's brighter, and I know it's a difference. I've been using it for about a month now, and I totally see a difference in my skin using this. Works really good. And after I wash my face, I follow up with the Olay Complete Normal UV 365 Daily Moisture Cream with Sunscreen. And the reason why I picked this up is because when I was doing my research about salicylic acid, I saw that you should use a sunscreen when you're using this. So that's why I picked this up with the sunscreen of SPF 15. That may not be the highest, but I feel like something is better than nothing with using sunscreen on your face to protect your skin from the sun. And also the foundation that I use has SPF in it as well, so I feel like it's a win-win using this. The only thing about this product is that it makes my skin really oily. So I like to use these shine control sheets. They just come in packets like this. You can find them anywhere that sells makeup, or even Walmart I know sells them. And they look like this, little tissue paper sheets, and you just blot. Even when you have makeup on, it's not gonna mess up your makeup. It's not gonna take off your makeup. It's just gonna take off the oil on your skin. And you just blot your skin. And then you just throw it in the garbage when you're done. And these little sheets, I keep in my purse, and just throughout the day, I may just blot to get all the excess oil off my face from, like I said, I think it's from this product, but it's okay. I'd rather have oily skin than have dry skin. So these are the two products that I've been using recently. These products work really good together. And so I just wanted to share with you how I got rid of dark spots and smooth my skin, like I said, on my chin and my neck area. And it also has just been a benefit for my whole face, really. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care. Bye.